Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's look, I wanted to take you guys on a cruise. Like literally, I wanted to take you guys on vacation with this look. This look just gives me the only vibes of a Bahama mama by the beach, watching the sunset, enjoying the breeze. Wow, like this is what this look gives me. It also gives me like festival vibes. I also have a video on my Instagram, which is _ScarlyRey, and I uploaded a client video. So kind of like me doing someone's makeup, obviously. That's what a client video is. So yeah, and I hope that you guys like that as well. I'm debating if I want to put out like vlogging content or I want to kind of wait till I do that. So I don't know yet, but if that's something that you guys are interested in, then let us just know. So if you guys want to enjoy the beach through this look, then just keep on watching. So we're gonna start off with this color. It's called Mary, and it is like a, yeah. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take Code James and kind of take that on top of there just to blend that out. Next, we're gonna take this lavender shade, and it's called Single. It is a beautiful lavender shade. It's like, it has an undertone of pink in there also. Beautiful. So we're just gonna take that right under Mary and kind of start carving out that crease. And then we're gonna go into Mary and dust that on top. And just gradually build that. Just like kind of tying those colors together. The following shade that I want to take right under, which was this one that we took first, Single, is going to be this one. This one's called Escape, and it is like a dark purple. So I'm going to take this dark purple shade right under that, and that's just going to give it that deepness that I want. Purple is so in this season. I'm like so excited. Hope you guys like my background. It's purple. I'm gonna take a concealer, an angle brush, and I'm just gonna cut the crease. Just gonna pat that in. Honestly, like, who the heck is honking like that? Like, if you're gonna honk, honk, and that's it. just gonna pat that with a clean brush just cause I wanted to take like any extra product. I think I'm gonna use this shade here. It's called Hello. The 39A by Morphe has a similar color. It has this one. I don't know the name of this one. I think I lost the thing. But they're very similar in color. I don't know if I want to use this one or if I want to use the one in the James Charles palette. This is the one in the 39A and this one is the one in the James Charles. So I'm gonna use the one in the 39A and I'll have the name linked down below. I just don't have the little paper and hello. So I'm gonna take that one and I'm going to wet my brush because I want that shade to really show. So I'm just gonna wet it with a little bit of Fix Plus. Bam, bam. And then I'm going to take that and put it on the lid. All right, first of all, the shade, beautiful. This gives me like a vacation feel. Ooh, like Bahama Mama or something. I think that's what this look is gonna be called. Bahama Mama. All right, so once that shadow is there, and it's really there, I'm just gonna wet the brush a little just because I want to kind of give it more of a foiled feel here. There we go. Yes. I don't know if you guys see that, like, that looks amazing. Wow, guys, honestly, I wasn't ready. So just to blend out the outer part, I'm gonna go into Single, which was that lavender shade, and I'm going to mix this here. Guys, and excuse that creature that's growing on my face. It's like, yo, I was saying like, oh, my skin has been so good, and boom. And for that, you kind of just wanna, this is what I do, I kind of pat it in instead of like blending it. I feel like this just kind of works better because it's two shadows with different finishes. So let me go ahead and take Escape and pop that there. And I always kind of take that a little bit in there. So I'm just taking Single and kind of running it up there just to kind of deepen all of that out. And then going into Escape for more definition. After adding mascara, I'm gonna go ahead, pop some lashes off camera and do the other eye, and then I'll do my face. I think I want to do like something on my lips, not just like regular, what I always do, like a nude. I just feel like that's my go-to, but we'll see. I'll probably just do the same thing. For concealer, this is the one by Morphe. I forgot it, I have it right in my hand. I'm really liking this concealer. And I'm real picky when it comes to concealers. My favorite concealer, so you guys can kind of know, like, was kind of like my preference, so you guys can know maybe if this works for you. My favorite concealer of all time is definitely the Tarte Shape Tape. And I also really like the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So this is like I feel like this is the baby of that. If those two had a baby, this would be it. Because it's like right in the middle. Like it gives you the coverage, but it's also very like nice and light where it doesn't feel like heavy. I don't know if that makes any sense. I hope it does. I'm eyeing the e.l.f. one, the 18-hour camo. I think that's what it's called. 18-hour or something like that. 16-hour. I've been hearing like a lot of good stuff about it, but unfortunately all e.l.f. stores closed down. So I'm the type of person I like to go in and like see the stuff. Like for the Morphe one, I went to the Garden State Mall, which has a Morphe store. If you didn't know, now you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set the bottom of my eyes, because you guys know ain't nobody got time for that creasing. For contouring today, I'm just gonna contour my nose. I'm not gonna contour the sides of my, like, anything else. I feel like I just want it to be like bronzy. So I'm gonna contour my Anastasia Beverly Hills' contour cream kit. And I have the deep one. And then I'm just gonna sweep the rest of this powder off. Because I have dry skin, so I don't let the powder like sit for a long time on my face. And it doesn't matter which powder, I just don't leave it on for a long time. And then you're gonna take a small blending brush and kind of go under there with a little bit of single, just to blend that out. And honestly, I feel like I want to take a little bit of black in the outer corner. So I'm gonna take Spooky, which is literally like a matte black, and take that here so it can kind of connect to the liner. Wow. For highlighter, I'm gonna do a mixture of the Estée Lauder Heat Wave and the NARS Orgasm Loose Illuminating Loose Powder. I feel like this is like perfect. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This look makes me want to sit by the beach, grab a cocktail, probably like a Bahama Mama. I feel like colors are definitely in, and makeup at the end of the day comes off. So just have fun. If you want to slap a red on your eye, if you want to slap whatever, well, don't slap it, just put it on. But if you want to put any color on and just be creative and things like that, just do it and own it when you do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to say thank you for the support that I've gotten from basically like everyone that has watched my videos. I just want to say thank you for taking the time out for that, and it really means a lot because I'm putting in a lot of work for this and I'm very passionate about this, so I just want to say thank you. So without further ado, bye.